days from our departure date for full-time RVing. We're super excited about this. So one of the things Chris has done over here is created a countdown to launch. So we're going to come in here each day and cross off the particular day that we're on. And today, November 20th, I'm going to go in here and cross it off.
Woo!
So every day we'll do that. Our departure date, December 19th, Saturday.
To give a quick update on what it looks like in the final week before going full-time RVing. This is our 30-day countdown, and it is December 16th right now, and we are leaving in 4 days. We're currently living in an apartment, and this is our second rental. Our downsizing process has taken 2 full years, and COVID got in the way a little bit. So I just wanted to show you what it's like and give you a couple of tips if you're getting ready to go full-time RVing. My first tip is to stay calm. It'll all get done. And my next tip is to make a lot of lists. I have huge lists here. I have more lists over here. It's a lot, but let me just show you what we're doing here. Give you an idea of everything that's involved. This is our office slash craft room. It's my art studio, which I've packed everything up. This isn't all coming with, but we're gonna move out of here in a couple of months, so I wanted this stuff to be packed up. Ryan is using his suitcase to pack a bunch of clothes because we do need to have our suitcases with us. We have 3 bins of stuff here. I'm still working on the office items. I need to pack the screens, and I have like 3 bins here with camera equipment and a little bit of booze from the bourbon trail that we went to in Louisville. So I'm working on this room. This room is almost done. We're leaving our printer behind. It's too big for our rig. The hardest part too for us is that our rig is in Mississippi right now and we're in Wisconsin. And so I didn't do a proper inventory of what we had down at the rig. So I'm just winging it right now. We have our golf clubs. We downsized our golf bags. So these are just little day bags. They're small bags. More camera equipment. My poor husband, this is his office that he's been working in since March because of COVID. He's been working from home. And we have a whole COVID story on how that affected our full-time RV journey. But it's a little bit too early to talk about that. It's a little too sensitive right now. So we're going to talk about that later. But here is our Christmas tree, which is going to go in our rig. And there's my wonderful Berkey water filter packed and ready to go. We did buy a small, teeny printer, great little Canon printer there. Pre-ordered a big bag of dog food, and we have the other dog food over here so that our dog is on a prescription diet, can't get his food everywhere, so we had to do that ahead of time. I packed a big bin of clothes, which I'm now not going to go through again because I feel like I have too much stuff. So I'm sort of in the process of getting all my things together. We are going to be in a hotel one night on our way down to get our rig in Mississippi, so I'm packing that bag, trying to do some Christmas wrapping. I'm changing this is what I was going to bring my jewelry in, but now I feel like that's too much jewelry, so I'm going to put it in quite a bit smaller one. I have hanging clothes here, which I still have to go through and divide and conquer and downsize more. I think I've got my shoes figured out. All of these shoes are staying behind. Just not enough room in the RV. And then the bathroom is another big project. I have these bins on the floor, which I'm going to go through again. I have this stacker back here, which, because we're in an apartment, that's where all my bathroom stuff had to go. So I have to go through that one more time. I have a hanging thing here because of the hotel that we're going to be staying in. So I'm trying to pack all that up. It's just a lot of packing and chaos right now. Our excitement is we're still super excited, but we're sort of in that hard place right now where there just seems to be so much to do, and hopefully we can get it done. Today I'm going to be also working on the kitchen pantry. I've gotten my spices in this little bin here, and I'm leaving behind all of these spices. I can't bring all those with me. I have this pile right here of stuff that I think is going to make the cut for the RV. It's just sort of crammed in the corner at the moment. Got to drink up the Malibu rum that we have left in the house. So this is how it looks. It's crazy. I've got 4 more days, and we are going to say goodbye to that snowy, ugly winter, and we're heading down south to Texas. Okay, last day. What day is today?
It's move day, Saturday, December 19th.
We are finally going full-time RVing. I can't believe I'm gonna cry. Cut. Okay, sorry about that.
We are making our way down to Tishomingo, Mississippi. Our rig's down there. It's been down there all fall.
And we're gonna tell a full story of our departure at that time. Well, we're gonna do another whole video on our journey to full-time RVing, but this is just a quick 1-minute synopsis. We are it's December 19th. We had planned to leave in June. Mm-hmm. And then COVID hit, and we had been planning this. We sold our sticks and bricks house, we moved into a rental house, COVID hit, and then we were done with that rental house, so we had to move into an apartment, and it sucked. Goodbye apartment living. And now we were going to leave in September, and then this one over here had to get his full shoulder replaced. So that pushed us to December, and we're leaving a week before Christmas. Why are we leaving a week before Christmas? Because of weather, basically. That's the main reason. We have to get out of here while it's still safe. Yeah. And luckily, there's a dusting of snow here, but it's not too bad. No. And so our rig is in Mississippi, and that is another whole story on why that's there. But we'll tell the full story when we have a chance to breathe. But for now, this is it. We have 450 miles to drive today.
Yep, we're on our way.
And we're on our way.
More to come.
We made it. We made it. 750 miles.
Yep.
Where are we?
Iuka,
Mississippi.
Just outside of Tishomingo, where we are headed, where our rig is. Just down the road about 10 miles. So we're just stopping quick to get some groceries before we pull in and set everything up and unload. And
we'll be re-greeted with our RVs. Super excited. We haven't seen it since September. So onward. with our RV, and it looks really good. We had to take everything out of the cupboards and put the stuff into these bins because they added a bunch of shelving to our RV. Hello, Ryan.
Hi.
And so we're just kind of getting settled here, and we still have the whole U-Haul to unload. So it's going to be a long day and a half, but we're going to get it done. Ryan's hooking up and getting us warm, getting us water, and we will start the work. Here is today's challenge. This is the Tetris game that I have going. I have 7 drawers and an armoire that we just had installed in place of our TV. And then we have this closet that we share. And I've got to get all of this clothes into that space. So I'm probably going to end up donating half of this clothes, but we'll see how today goes. So guess what? We packed too much. We quickly realized when we got here that we couldn't fit everything in the RV that we had put in boxes, but we kind of knew that the stuff that we had in the rig was sort of our second string stuff, and we wanted to flip it out for our first string, like our good knives and good pots and pans and stuff. So we did that. We ended up with several boxes full of stuff, and Ryan called around like a madman trying to find a place to donate.
Yeah, we didn't want to certainly dump anything off. You know, we wanted to donate what we had, and so we did find a few places in the Tishomingo area, and we're lucky enough to drop those off for other people to use. So
yeah. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Really appreciate it. So until next time. And we're finally off. We're all hitched up. We're heading to Alabama for our first trip of full-time RVing. This is a very exciting day.